Some more Tractor Supply clearance. These are kind of annoying because it's a can and you can't physically see what's in there. You can read it, but reading isn't what Americans do. Americans need pictures. They're too lazy to read. So what you got in here is a bit set, like it says, 11-piece HEX big set. I don't know why they made these cans, but it's kind of weird. They also had the exact same thing, bit set, but on a rack. And the rack is $2 more. And it's like, that's not worth it. So let's see what actually is in here. So these cans open like this. And this is what you got. Your bits. In here like this. I don't know if this comes on. Okay. So basically, instead of having the rack, your bits are on a carousel, like this. And they're still on a little connector like that to hold them in place. I mean, I don't know how this works out inside your tool chase, but that's what they did. Oh, okay. So you could physically actually take those. You could take those off. Let's just see. I hope I got that on camera. And locks. I wonder if this one does it up here. Guess it doesn't matter. Well, there you go. Clearance, $5. It's all your, this is millimeter ones. I didn't get an SAE one. There you go. That's what these cans are when you see them. The ones that are the actual size of a soda can have drill bits in them. There you go.